If you've been wondering how to accept a friend request on Epic Games, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the exact steps so you can quickly find pending requests and accept them in just a few clicks. This is super useful if a friend sent you a request and you're not seeing it right away, or if you're new to the Epic Games launcher and want a simple beginner-friendly guide. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open the Epic Games launcher on your computer. Once it loads, look to the top right corner of the launcher. You'll see the friends icon there and it looks like two people. Go ahead and click that friends icon to open your social and friends options. After that, you'll want to click the add friends icon. This is the small icon that looks like a person with a plus sign. Clicking this opens up your friend related menu where you can manage requests and connections. Now scroll through the list until you find the pending friend request you want to accept. Depending on how many requests you have, you may need to look a little carefully, but it should be listed in the pending section. Once you see the request, click accept, and that's it. The friend request will be confirmed and the person will be added to your Epic Games friends list. If you want to double check, you can go back to your friends list and make sure the new friend appears there. This is a really fast process once you know where to look, and it saves you from guessing around the launcher. If this tutorial helped, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more easy gaming guides, troubleshooting tips, and step-by-step walkthroughs. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.